I am really surprised at what price points I got. I got few of the options from 180 rupees guys, and I got few jeans less than 500 rupees. This video is going to be crazy, and this is an epic video on how to build your entire wardrobe. What's up my stylish people, this is Sham. Welcome back to the channel. This video is all about how to build a wardrobe from Reliance Trends. Why I chose this particular outlet to start with. One, you can find this in each and every city. Starting from a small town to each and every city, Reliance Trends is a super popular option. Number two, they have multiple brand options to choose from. And number three, you can get few of those brands even from AJIO's own website as well. A few quick disclaimers guys. Few of the pieces I got in the offline store, I'm not sure that whether I will be able to provide you the links, but nevertheless I will try to find the similar options in case if they are available online. In this video you guys are going to see how to build your entire wardrobe under 8,000 rupees from Reliance Trends. This video is partly specific to the summer seasons, so the color choices may vary compared to my other how to build basic wardrobe video. Having said that, let us kickstart the video with the t-shirts. For the t-shirts, as I always mention, for the basic crew neck white tee and a v-neck black tee, I'm not gonna repeat those options in each and every of my how to build the wardrobe series. For the basic crew neck half sleeve white tee, I would suggest to go for either Jockey option, which is available at 350 rupees, or Jack and Jones at discount for the same price point. And for the t-shirt number 2, which is a v-neck black option, it's an easy recommendation to go for the Jockey t-shirts. And for a price point of 600 to 700 rupees, you are covered with the basic options. Having said that, let us go through what I got for this specific haul apart from the basics. Starting with the t-shirt number 1 and t-shirt number 2. Both are the striped t-shirts, one in the vertical stripes and one in the horizontal stripes. Both are from AJIO, both I got it in a size of medium. These t-shirts are fairly priced at 700 rupees to start with, and there was a crazy 60 to 70% off going on, and I got these at a price point of closer to 200 rupees. For 200 rupees, the t-shirt number 1, which is a blue t-shirt, as I mentioned earlier, the base for this is a neutral color, and they have these stripes with the subtler color combinations of the brown and the off-white to it. It looks so good to me, and the fit of this t-shirt is great, and the t-shirt is having that knitted kind of a material just like a polo t-shirt, and the same exact advantages stays the same even with the brown color vertical stripe t-shirt as well. The brown color vertical stripe, I do not have a vertical stripe t-shirt from any of the brand in this brown color, so I went with this combination, and both of these combinations looks great during the summer seasons, and when you're getting both of them at a price point of close to 400 rupees, they're an absolute must have guys. Moving on to the t-shirt number 3. It is a cream color half sleeve t-shirt which exactly have a sweater kind of a material, but the material is super thin. You can wear during the summer season guys. And this particular t-shirt, it is priced super fairly at 700 rupees, and as I mentioned, the AJIO's own products generally they will be discounted very heavily, and I got this somewhere at a price point of 250 to 260. The color combination is particularly great during the summer season, even though the material is not exactly related to the summers, but the material being thin, you get the advantage of the knitted materials. It fits you so well, and like a polo t-shirt, it have that elastic bands at the sleeves area. This one, I like the color, I like the price points, and I like how it fits. And moving on to the t-shirt number 4. It is a AJIO heathered crew neck half sleeve t-shirt in a color of a pastel green. This is priced super fairly at 500 rupees, and I got this at a price point of 180 rupees. You will not believe guys. Recently, like from last 6 months, AJIO even do not have taxes applied on top of the discounted prices. So 180 rupees for this t-shirt. I like the fit of it, and I like the pastel green, which is super appropriate for the summer seasons. The fit is not too baggy, not too slim. You can use this as a base in case if you want to layer with any flannel or a solid color t-shirt as well, or else you can use this just as a t-shirt. However, there is a minor disqualifier. The material is like little bit thinner to my liking. Moving on to the t-shirt number 5. For this how to build a wardrobe series, and it is a gray color half sleeve t-shirt with patch pocket. It is having a contrast stripe to it on both sides of the sleeves, which makes it a little bit unique. And the base color of this t-shirt, it's a neutral color, it's a lightish gray, which is appropriate for the summer seasons. Not only during the summer seasons, it is appropriate anytime throughout the year, and the patch pocket adds to the definition for this t-shirt, and at a price point of less than 200, it's an absolute must have. As we are done with the category of the t-shirts, now let's move into the category of the shirts. For the shirts, I got you guys covered with 6 options. Starting with one of my favorite options, you guys know that I love striped shirts a lot. Starting with the shirt number 1, it is a AJIO slim fit shirt with resort collar, which I got it in a size of medium. This is priced super fairly at 900 rupees, and as I mentioned earlier, I got a 60% off on this one, 300 rupees for the t-shirt, which have a cotton viscose composition to it and which have the base color as the blue and with the pop color as the red color. You know that this is one of my favorite combination when it comes to the checker shirts, and that applies the same for this one as well. And on top of that, it's a resort fit shirt which is appropriate for the summer season. It have the Cuban collar vibe going on with the half sleeves. This one is going to be the best bargain from this complete haul, guys, at the price point of 300 rupees. Considering that it is summer season and vertical stripes are in trend and the color combination being versatile, I think this shirt is a must have from this haul at this price point. Moving on to the shirt number 2, and this is also a striped shirt, but this is in the full sleeves. This is not exactly the color combination generally I would opt for during other season. This is going to be summer specific, and it is a light blue color striped full sleeve cotton shirt from Ajio, which is priced at 999 rupees, and I got this for a price point of 350 rupees. For 350 rupees, what exactly I liked and why you should own this particular shirt? One, the light blue color, which is appropriate for the summer season, and number 2, it's a 100% cotton shirt, guys. And number 3, the stripes are a little bit different because the gap between each and every stripe, it is like pronounced. You're not gonna get exactly all the advantages with the vertical stripe shirt, but nevertheless it's a different shirt to own. There is a minor disqualifier I can say for this one. Being a 100% cotton shirt, this one, it is very tough to iron this one. Moving on to the shirt number 3, and a proper summer color to have. Even though it's listed as a brown, it's actually a mauve color, which I got it in a size of medium. This is priced at 1299 rupees, and I got this for a price point of 550 rupees. What exactly I liked in this shirt? 1, the length of the shirt and how it fits on me, it is just perfect, guys. Number 2, of course, the color of this shirt. If you pair this particular shirt with the white trouser, even though I didn't get a white trouser, if you pair this with any of the lighter colors, in particular for the summer season, you are gonna look ultra stylish, guys. And at a price point of closer to 350 rupees, I think it is the best bargain you can find in terms of the color choices. Moving on to the shirt number 4. You guys must be thinking I haven't included a Mandarin collar or a Chinese collar shirt for the summer seasons because those are generally appropriate during the summer seasons a lot compared to the other seasons. I got you guys covered with this space gray or a darkish gray color full sleeve shirt from Ajio, which I got it in a size of medium. It is priced very fairly at 999 rupees, and I got a 60% off on this shirt, bringing down the price points close to 400 rupees. What exactly I liked? Of course, the color. The gray color is a neutral color. It's very easy to mix and match. Apart from that, I like the fit of it. There is a minor disqualifier which can be a little bit advantageous when it comes to other seasons, but right now for the summer season, this material is a little bit on the thicker side. Moving on to the next shirt. This video is all about budget, guys, and a half sleeve floral printed shirt. I couldn't find better options when it comes to Ajio's own brand. That's the reason I went with this full sleeve blue color floral printed shirt, which is priced at 999 rupees, and I got this at a price point of 350 rupees. What exactly I liked? Of course, the blue color. As it is the base color, it's going to be super versatile. On top of that, here the floral print is a micro floral print. In case if you want to use this during the summer season by just tucking in with a drawstring trouser or a chinos, or even for layering purpose with the white t-shirt inside. Of course, the white t-shirt needs to be a linen white t-shirt. Remember that. If you want to do that, this is going to be a perfect shirt for the summer, guys, with the color combinations and the floral print being so subtle but still being on the casual side. It is a Ajio full sleeves red and blue checker shirt, which is priced very fairly at 999 rupees, and I got this at a price point of 400 rupees. This particular color combination gives you the vibrance with the red color and the subtleness with the neutral blue color. This shirt being a 100% cotton shirt, this feels so smooth on the skin. It's breathable during the summer seasons. I like the length of the shirt and also how it fits on me. I do not have any disqualifiers for this shirt, guys. And if you go to any of the Reliance Trend store, this particular brand is super popular. Starting with the trouser number 1, it is a net play, flat front, bi-checker trouser, which I got it in a size of 32 in a navy blue color. Checks here are so subtle that you can't even see them. That's how subtle the pattern for this trouser is. This one, I liked it so much because of 3 reasons. One, of course, the color and the price point of 1299 rupees, and I got this at a price point of 500 rupees. 500 rupees for this trouser from Reliance Trends. The quality is really great, and I like the fit and length of the trouser. This one is a drawstring pant. It have the drawstrings inside in order to make it so subtle, and you can adjust your waistline in case if you go one size up, and they have the elastic waistband on the back side as well. well. And number 3, the cuffs at the end of the trouser. It gives that unique look from transforming this trouser from a semi-formal to semi-casual, if I have to say. The quality is really great, and the fit, it's not too slim, not too relaxed. It is just appropriate. It is a cropped drawstring jogger from Ajio, which is in this khaki color. It is priced at 1300 rupees and I got this at a price point of 590 rupees. For this video, actually it's a pricier option. Considering that, let's see what are the advantages. Of course, the color, the khaki color is one of the best color to own. I don't like joggers in general. Maybe that's the reason I'm not a big fan of this particular one, but I like the color of it. Even though it's mentioned as a tapered fit, I can easily say that it is somewhere in between the slim to relaxed fit. And for the size reference, I have gone with the size medium. You can never go wrong with this color, and the material is just perfect and the quality seems fine, and a price point of 600 in case if you are a fan of joggers and particularly drawstring joggers with a little bit of a relaxed fit to it. I think this one is a must-have in your wardrobe. Or else if you are not a big fan of the joggers just like me, you can skip this option and can invest a khaki colored chinos. As we are talking about the chinos, now let's talk about the trouser number 3, which is a grey color flat front chinos from Netplay. This one is priced at 14.99. I got this in a size of 32 and I got that for a price point of closer to 700 rupees. And what exactly I liked? One, of course, the fit of it. It is a slim fit chino and it fits exactly how a slim fit should fit. And as you guys know that chinos are super versatile, and that too in this grey color, it looks awesome, guys. And also it comes with a belt, a fabric kind of a belt. The belt looks disastrous. I got this in the offline store. I'm not sure that whether I would be able to give a link for this particular trouser or not. Not only this particular trouser, few of the pieces I got them in the Reliance Trend store for a price point of 60 to 70% off. I'm not sure whether I will be able to find the links from the Ajio website, but nevertheless I will try to find a link for you guys. Moving on to the bottom wear number 4 and 5. These are the DNMX skinny jeans in the black as well as the light blue colors. Of course, a black jeans is a must-have in any guy's wardrobe, and when you're getting both of these jeans at a price point of less than 1000 rupees, these are an absolute must-have, and I'm really surprised to see the price points at 799 retail. On top of that, Ajio have them discounted and you can get these jeans at a price point of 450 to 500 each. With price points, there are few minor disqualifiers as well. Before going into that, let us talk about the advantages. Of course, what I like, the colors and the color options which are available from this brand at this price points, and the quality seems fine for these jeans. Number 2, the stretch factor. The stretch factor for this jean, it's really great. They have a composition of elastane to it. They do not have any inseam options to select for, so the inseam length for this jeans is 32. Even though they fit me well at the thighs area, they do have a little bit more extra room when it comes to waist area. That's it for this video, guys. I think you are covered with all the basic pieces of clothing you would need for your wardrobe, not only for the summer seasons, for the other seasons as well. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to click the like button and also subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to turn on the post notification bell in order to get notified as soon as I post a video. That's it from me. See you guys next time.